Want to make your Canva designs pop? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change colors for backgrounds, images, and text. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or posters, these tips will help you customize your designs like a pro. Today we are using Halloween Builder Pack for our images. First, let's change the background color of your design. This is the easiest way to set the tone for your project. Click on the background of your canvas. A color tile will appear in the top toolbar. Click it to open Canva's color panel on the left. From here, you can choose a color from the default palette, or click the rainbow plus icon to pick a custom color. Use the color picker to slide along the rainbow bar for your hue, then adjust the shade or tint in the larger box, or enter a hex code for an exact color match. Once you've selected your color, it will instantly update the background. Next, let's customize the colors in an image or graphic. This is perfect for matching your design's theme or creating a cohesive look. Click on the clip art you want, copy and paste. Click on the image or graphic. If the element is editable, a color menu will appear in the top toolbar. Select the part of the image you want to change. Choose a new color from the palette or use the custom color picker. Repeat for other parts of the image to fully customize it. Now, let's update the color of your text. This is a great way to add emphasis or match your text to your design's color scheme. Add text by clicking on T, type your text. Click on the text box to select it. In the top toolbar, click the A icon with a color bar underneath it. Choose a color from the palette or use the custom color picker. For multicolored text, highlight specific words or letters and change their colors individually. Our builder pack has sayings that you can also change their colors. Select a saying, copy and paste on your image. Click on the word you want to recolor and then on the A icon. Repeat until the design is the way you like it. Finally, let's tie everything together with a cohesive color palette. Canva's Styles feature makes this super easy. Click on Design in left-hand menu and then click on Styles. Browse through Canva's pre-made color palettes. Click on a palette to instantly apply it to your design. Watch as your background, images, and text update to match the palette. Experiment with different palettes to find the one that best fits your project's theme. And that's it. Now you know how to change colors in Canva for backgrounds, images, and text. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, comment, and follow for more Canva tips. Happy designing!